Pans on for the beef. Get the beef out. Get them coloured. Beef in. Let's go. Get that pan piping hot, yes?
Yes, chef. Yes, chef.
Right, next challenge for this lot, main course. A fantastic fillet of beef with a mushroom gratin. Ladies.
Yes, chef.
Let's be honest, we had a really easy starter.
Yes, chef.
Now we're going to turn up the heat a little bit, yes?
Yes, chef.
So I want the steaks nice and pink. Not medium, yes? Yeah, not well done. Nice and pink, yes?
Yes, chef.
Let's go. Charlotte.
Yes, chef.
Yeah, 5, yeah? Pan on.
Yes, chef. Haven't
Sarah.
got pan yet. Yes,
Sarah,
chef.
the pan's not hot, you're going to boil the steak. Make sure it's piping hot, yes?
Yes, chef.
Yes?
No pan yet, chef.
Sarah?
Yes,
they're not
chef.
even seasoned. Sarah?
Yes.
Come on, get them out of the pan, they're not even seasoned. Now you're going bland, OK? We don't do bland. No chance. Sam?
Yes,
You've got to
chef.
speed up now, yes?
Yes, chef.
Get those steaks out of there.
Yes, chef.
Yeah, OK. Get a little bit more colour on there, a little bit more colour. Every steak's different, so touch it and understand it. Do you understand? We want to serve them pink.
Yes,
yeah?
yes,
Just
chef.
above rare, so touch it and understand it, yes? Once the steaks are in, OK, start your potatoes, yes? Just put it on there. I just said to you both. You know what mushrooms... What are they to you then, Charlie? You tell me. You're a bright girl.
They're mushrooms, chef.
Yeah, but they're burned, darling.
They are, chef.
Charlotte,
Yes, chef.
you know how to cook a mushroom, surely?
Sure. Yes, chef.
You do, yeah?
Yes, chef.
Pans on for the potatoes. Yeah, start off with the olive oil, yes? And then you finish with a little bit of fresh butter at the end, yes?
Do you want to do a little bit more brown in this,
Yeah, a little bit more browner, yeah, but not burned, yes?
chef? Chef, these done, chef, here.
Stop, put it down. No, take it off the heat. You burnt it again. Huh? No, it's all burnt. Fucking hell. They're burnt as well. Come on, we're going a little bit pear-shaped now, yeah? Once the mushrooms are cooked, make the gratin by folding them together with the egg yolk, chives and cream. The gratin mixture, yeah, acts as a bit of a sauce, OK? So that's why we keep it nice and wet, but not too wet, OK, for obvious reasons. Right, in the oven.
Yes.
Yeah, a little bit of cheese on top.
Yes, chef.
Good, in the oven. Those potatoes look fantastic. Right, watch. Up, into the centre. Just to the left of the centre. Yeah?
Yes, chef.
Right, you do the next two.
Yes, chef.
Yeah. Let's go. Now, put it on the plate with a little bit of finesse, yes?
Yes, chef.
Presentation is crucial.
Where's our oil?
Service, please.
Yes, chef.
I don't know if they're done. I've no idea. Sarah, what do you think? Tell me, I've no idea.
Yeah, they look all right.
I don't think they are.
Plate.
Are you
Let's
ready
go.
for me, chef?
4, yes?
Yes, chef.
Let's go. Right, 2 plates. Yeah. So you dress 2, yeah? Let's go.
Yes, chef. I'm dressing,
Quickly.
chef.
Guys, Sam, you happy with that?
Yes, chef.
Yeah. Let's go.
Chef?
Gordon, table 5 là, he's not cooked enough. Huh?
Fucking hell, table 5. Charlotte,
Yes,
come here
chef.
quickly.
Excuse me.
It's supposed to be pink, yeah? Not fucking raw. Just look at that there. Look, I said pink.
Right, chef.
Yes?
Yes, chef. Yes,
That's
chef.
what I said, but you've got to keep them together in the
Yes,
pan
chef.
and turn them evenly, yes?
Yes, chef.
One more steak in there, quickly, yes?
Yes, chef.
Okay.
Stay tidy, ladies, yes? Nice and tidy. Go, first 2. Last 3, go. Hot tray, clear down. Let's go, please. Fucking hell, that was hard work, man. It was like pulling teeth, you know. I'd rather milk a fucking 1,000 cows. Table 12, go.
Steak was perfect for me. Really nice chunk. Great mushrooms. Brilliant. Don't need anything more. Perfect. Perfect for me. Loved it.
Greasy, really greasy potatoes. There was an oil on the plate which seemed completely irrelevant.
Absolutely brilliant. I mean, the beef was very tender, very kind of soft. I mean, you hardly needed a knife to even cut it. The mushrooms on top, I don't even like mushrooms, but brilliant.
OK, results for the main course. Yes, John Baptiste, feedback from the customers. What was the feedback? Quality of the beef was exceptional.
Yeah, quality was good.
Yeah.
But we still have 24 people who are not paying for the beef.
That's just under half the dining room.
Yeah,
Why?
it's nearly half of the dining room. Yeah.
One was raw.
Yes.
Yes?
Okay, the main problem is the waiting time. Too long.
The waiting time.
Yeah. The potato is too greasy.
The potatoes too greasy.
Yeah, too soggy.
They're sauté potatoes.
I know, but too much
Did
oil.
you drain the potatoes
Yes,
before we
chef.
put them on the plate?
Yes, chef.
Why did we drain them, Sarah?
To remove all the grease.
I'm slightly pissed off about that.
Yeah, it's not good. Huh?
I can understand about the one, fine, and then when it went out, the customer didn't want it, but 24.
Yeah.
Fondant and chocolate, I want 50 customers paying for it.
Yeah.
Stations, yeah? Let's do it
chef,
together,
yes,
yeah? Let's go.